All right, so we're on the street. We actually pulled down this road to do some cool footage. Young guy stopped by. I don't even know the guy's name yet. We're just asking questions, seeing what people know about the car that's in front of you. What's up? This is Foxbody FX, rolling in the 91 Foxbody coupe, red. This has a Dart motor, and it's been built. It's also got a Vortec, I believe it's a V3 supercharger on it. This car is lowered with race coilovers. It's got a TKO transmission. I believe this one has 373 gears. Super fun car to drive. It's one of many we've got kind of in our little stable of cars that you guys are going to see. But this car is super fun. Being a bright red, performance forward red color, and the black interior, as you see, really nice black interior. Got the sport seats. This actually has a Sparco steering wheel as well. It's got a few extra gauges. The car, when we got it, it came like that, so it's probably not what we would like. It's got a few little billet aluminum, knobs and stuff like that. We'll probably change those off and delete some of those, go back more stock, maybe some different gauge clusters. It still has the stock, the factory gauge setup right here. We've got some other cars with the Holley EFI system, with the Pro Dash and stuff like that you're going to see. But this car just, a few too many gauges with a big tack and everything. But a great car. These cars are so impressive because they're really fun to drive. And this car is no exception. We just stopped a minute ago and we're talking to a 16-year-old guy, and just, he loved the car, didn't know exactly what it was. It was a Mustang. All right, so what's your name?
I'm Stone Smith.
Stan, I'm Lance.
Stone.
Stone, nice to meet you. All right, so you look at this car, right? It's nice. Good car.
Yes, great car.
All right, cool. So we're asking people, especially younger people, what is this car?
I'm not entirely sure.
You can look around and walk around if you want. You might get some clues somewhere here and there.
I see the Ford and the Mustang.
Okay.
So I know it's an older type Mustang.
All right. There's a key word that you have to say, though, to win this contest.
Shelby Mustang?
It's not a Shelby.
No.
That's a good guess, then.
That's about all I know.
All right. So it's actually called a Foxbody Mustang.
Okay.
Have you ever heard of that?
I have not.
Okay. All right, yeah, so from 1979 to 1993, they had the Foxbody Mustang. And this is one that actually has a built motor, a supercharger, and about 600 horsepower. So it's pretty quick, too.
Yes. Fun to drive.
Oh, yeah, lots of fun to drive. So it matches your sweatshirt.
Yes, it does. You represent Ohio State.
There you go, man. There you go.
That's sweet. What year is it?
Get in and give it a rev. We got to get young kids liking these things. So pedal all the way to the right, none of the other ones. I think it's going. It is manual, 5-speed. Yeah, so this one is a 91, I'm sure. They made, so on the front, you'll actually notice, so from 79 to 86, this is all like a kind of a one piece. There's 3 headlights, but they're one. From 87 to 93, that's how they look. These are called aero cars, and then this looks different.
All right.
So from 79 to 86, it's called a 4-eye, and there's 2 here, and there's 2 there. So they call it 4-eye, kind of look like a frog.
Yeah.
Different. So we have some of those as well. And anyways, they're just, they're super fun drivers.
Sound fun.
This thing is built, crazy. It's got a big supercharger on it and stuff. It's fun.
Yeah, that sounds sweet.
Yeah, so super fun to drive these cars. And, if you don't have one, I highly suggest you get one, because when you buy one of these, they're just going up in value. But beyond that, it's really fun to go drive. Go to a local car show, take it out on the weekends. Probably not daily drive, especially not with a supercharger and 600 horsepower like this car, but it is just a blast. we are just in mid-December, great weather. The cars perform. This car also has four-wheel disc brakes. It's a Cobra conversion. It's got the 5-lug SV wheels. Quite a few other things also going on with it, but I can't remember all the details right now while I'm driving. This car, we haven't owned that long actually either. Only maybe 4 months ago, Brandon bought this car, and so we hadn't driven it a ton, but we got some plans for it. It's going to get the Holley Terminator X as well, probably in like a week or two. Our Bimini blue car that I'm going to be getting back. My car I've had at the performance shop over at Barton Tobner's place, Tobner Motorsports, highly recommend. It's been doing a lot to that car, and it's got the Terminator X on it as well as the Holley Pro Dash. And this car is going to be getting the Holley Terminator X, and it's going to get retuned. And with that dart block, we want to put a lot more power to this thing. Like I said, it's probably running around 550 to 600 right now, but he's going to bump it up if we can to around 700. And then I think maybe one or two other little small things he's going to do to it, but this car has kind of got all the bells and whistles. If you want a really nice modified Foxbody, this is the type of car to have. It is just super fun to drive. These things came with 225 horsepower with that stock 5-liter, and it didn't have a lot of power. It did back in the day. I remember these in high school, friends driving them and stuff like that in the 90s, and it seemed like everybody had a nitro shot on it or something like that. But great car, super fun. This black interior is really clean. These seats are in great condition. The ashtray even works good. It's got a Hurst shifter on it. I actually like the Sparco steering wheel. It's got good grip. I got an airbag regular stock steering wheel on my other Bimini Blue Coupe. We've got 2 of the SSCs. You guys are going to see a lot more with that. And they actually have the baseball glove, special leather gray steering wheel on those. But, you'll see a lot more of this car doing some fun stuff recently here in the future. So until then, see you next time.